The machine is actually the problem that they have in this market. So is this the machine he's talking about, or there's something bigger?
Well, it depends on what they're using the machine for.
What was that man doing?
His machine, what was he doing?
He was cutting the material. This material.
This same thing you're doing now. A lady, this same thing you were doing. A lady was using her hand.
A lady is using
her hand to do.
Okay, local.
More than 60% of new shoes worn in Nigeria come from Aba, but most Nigerians do not know that they are wearing Aba shoes. In this video, I am going to take you to Nigeria's most producing shoe manufacturing company here in Enyimba City, Aba, Abia State, Nigeria. Stay tuned. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do well to click the red subscription button on your screen right now and turn on the bell notification so that YouTube will always notify you once we upload a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. Inside bakassi and Shoe Plaza, we'll be interviewing some of Aba shoe manufacturers. Let them share the problems they've been facing and how they manage to produce over tens and thousands and millions of pairs of shoes every year.
My name firstly is Elechi Nwabueze Anthony.
Okay.
And by the special grace, you already know what I am into.
Yeah.
I'm a shoe manufacturer. And I've been in this business for over 25 years.
Okay.
It was after my primary school that I came to join this business. So that is why I've stayed so long on it. Then it's a very lucrative business. It's a very good one, so to say. It is not something that, in fact, if you desire to do this business, it's a nice business, it's encouraging. You understand? And I know many persons that visited this line. I call it visiting because some of them are no more in the line. You understand? The moment they make their money, they just leave. So they are visitors.
Yeah.
You understand? But those of them that made it their career has been earning a living with it. Some of them owns land, some owns, a lot of properties. Are you getting it? Yeah. But the problem there is that those ones that made something out of this business are those who has backup. What I call backup is assistants.
Okay.
Financial assistants. That is the people that are more progressive in the business. But those other ones that don't have any person to, encourage them, try to assist them, they find it difficult to do. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
So that is a thing. But a little assistance you give to an individual over the work will help the person and then bring the person to a height that you may not really expect. So another challenge that we'll encounter in the area of this production is, the materials. They are not always available. Some of them are imported. Like take for instance, what you just saw at your back. All these things are imported. Though some of them are produced in Nigeria, but they don't make it easy for us. They don't bring it to our closest where we can access them. Some of them are very high, when you talk about the price. Some of them, we have foreign one on the material. This other one is called fancy.
The fancy?
Yes. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
So the fancy there, after your production, like some of these things are fancy. All these things that you see in this thing. You understand?
Yeah.
The machineries that they use in fixing it are not here. So it is an imported material. So that is the only challenges that we have. When they import it, then we will come to buy. And buying it at times, you may not see it. So you now see it's a very big challenge.
Yeah.
That is one of the challenges that we have in the product. I think I can stop here.
Each year, about 48,000 pairs of shoes are produced at an average price of 3,000 naira in Aba, Abia State. Compared to China, Vietnam, and Indonesia, the top 3 global shoe exporters, Abba exports value is about 0.3% of their combined annual export values, and they produces only about 0.6 cents of their total yearly production. With a population of over 600,000 people, more than 15% of whom are artisans producing clothes, leather shoes, designing and building a variety of machines. It has been said that 1 in 6 people in Abba is a manufacturer and an employer of labor. Stay tuned, watch this video to end while I take you inside the Abba shoe manufacturing company known as Bakassi and Shoe Plaza, where all kinds of shoes are being made and manufactured. Abba prides itself on being Nigerian manufacturing capital, built on the backbone of the most famed Igbo apprenticeship system. Over 100,000 shoemakers in Abba produces shoes, slippers and sandals from locally sourced or imported leathers. More than 60% of new shoes worn in Nigeria come from Abba, but most Nigerians do not know that they are wearing Abba shoes. I am going to examine most of Abba shoe manufacturers. Let them share with us how they've been able to make thousands and millions of shoes over the years.
So safe. I look at the exact amount made here. Is that enough to buy this one?
Abba, the commercial hub of Abia State, is a busy and energetic town. It is known for its growing population of business-minded individuals, most of whom are drawn to the opportunities of learning and establishing trades. So far, if you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share the video, and also leave a comment on what you think about this video. Also click the red subscription button on your screen right now and give us a subscribe today. See you in the next chapter. Bye for now.